Practice, 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 and practice again. There's no getting away from it. You can't wing it if you're going in front of an audience and you want to impress them. If you want to be persuasive, if you want to create an impact, inspire, motivate, all of those things, you need to know what it is that you're talking about backwards. So you need to be able to speak it in your sleep almost. So once you've got your talk or presentation, you know what it is that you're talking about, then you need to practice it and practice it and practice it. Speak it out loud to another human being, preferably, just to get rid of some of those nerves and make sure that what you're saying is understandable. It's not just about repeating it in a mirror. It's not just about recording it and listening back, although that is a very good idea. Is just get used to it so that when it comes to it, not only are you not going to forget it, but you can then let your guard down a little bit. You can then start interacting more with the audience, and it can be a two-way thing. You can be a little bit more playful. This is where memorize to improvise comes in, because when you are so comfortable with your content, then that's when you can start playing.